This is Scott with iSpy Supply. Today I want to show you how to hook up our smart Wi-Fi cameras to the app that comes with it. It's a free app that you download with it. This one, for this camera, we're doing is a Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth panning Wi-Fi camera. It uses the app HDSmartIPC. It's HDSmartIPC. So you go to your App Store or Google Play, you download it onto your phone. So you have that download on your phone. I'm assuming you already do, but if you don't, go ahead and download it onto your phone. Then you want to go ahead and turn the device on. To turn the device on, for this particular model, they all are going to be a little different, but they should have an on and off switch. Just go ahead and switch it to on, and then you'll start seeing a series of lights. It can take about a minute or two for it to fully load up. This one's going into check mode, or it's turning around because it's a panning camera. And once that's done, you can go ahead and put an SD card in the meantime, actually, while it's booting up. If you want to put an SD card in, most people will want to. Oops. I put it in the right way, though. Okay, so now that that's in. All right, so now we're going to go back to your phone. All right, go back to your phone and find the HDSmartIPC cam, which is one should be right here. There we go. You can see there's already a few cameras on there. Okay. Now go ahead and open up the Smart IDC app, and then what you're going to do is you're going to connect. You're going to go to the settings on your phone, to wherever your Wi-Fi is on this one, and you're going to find the camera. It's going to start with an AI usually. On this one, it's the AI 707 or 7099. Click on that to connect your phone to it directly. And once it's connected, you're going to go back to the app. It's still working, but it usually takes just a minute. There we go. It's connected without internet, and that's fine. That's what you want to do. Hit done. Back over here. Let's go back to the app and pull it up. When you refresh it, refresh the screen. Let's go ahead and close it out. Exit. Now we're going to go open it up again. Now it says find new device. That device is added, so just hit confirm on that. And then you're going to go to the device that was AI 8. Hit the settings on it, and then you're going to hit device settings. Okay, now there are device settings. You're going to hit Wi-Fi config. What this is going to do is going to take you to your Wi-Fi networks that are around you right now, and you want to pick your home Wi-Fi network, which is 2G. Even if you have a 5G router, it will usually have 2G as well. So this one, the 874A, is my 2G. I'm going to hit that. I'm going to put in the password. Hit confirm. Connect to Wi-Fi, confirm. Camera reboot, confirm. Now the camera's going to turn on then back off, or turn off and then back on and reboot itself. There it goes. As you can see, it's starting to move around again while it reboots. And once it reboots, it's going to come on and it should be online. And that means then is you can go pretty much anywhere in the world if you have internet access on your phone and Wi-Fi access for the camera, and you'll be able to view your camera. You can view recorded videos, you can view it live, you can listen in live. You can move on this particular model, you can move around the room. You can pan the camera up to 330 degrees around the room from your phone, wherever you are. Now you can zoom in. There's a lot of things. I'll show you a little bit here in a second. Okay. Now we're going to go back to here. It says online. All right, so there we go. We're now online. And as you can see there, turn the phone sideways, kind of go to a full screen. And from here, if you want to pan around the room, let's move this out of your way. If you want to pan around the room, you literally just go like this with your finger, and it's going to move. A little lag time because it's going out over the internet and coming back. All right, now if you wanted to zoom in, let's go back over here a little bit. All right, if you wanted to zoom in, you can just take your fingers and catch it like that, just like you would on a photo on your phone, and you can zoom in on wherever you're at. It's pretty neat. All right, now if you want to hear audio, click that. See how it turned green? Testing 1, 2. Turn that off. Getting a little feedback that's going back and forth between itself. So now you can listen in the audio as well. If you want to talk to this, because it has two-way speaker on it, click on the microphone. Hello? And now my voice is coming through here. Check that to turn it off. Okay, so I just want to go over a few of the things that you can do with the app and how the app controls the camera. Okay, so first thing you do is click the settings icon and then hit device settings. All right, so first under video config, right now it's set up, it's just set up for live view, it's not recording. So hit video config and you can click on video model and you can pick what you want. No recording, alarm recording, recording constantly, or schedule recording. We're going to pick alarm recording because that's motion activated recording, that's the most common setup. All right, click on that. Over here I want to hit where it says record audio. I'm going to click record audio, put that on, and auto loop record. Auto loop record means it will, when your SD card's full, it'll just start with the old information and override it. If you don't have that, then it's just going to stop when it's full and you won't record anymore. Length per clip is how long each clip is. It's set up in minutes, 1 to 20 minutes. It's set up at 10 minutes right now. All right, hit save. It says video saved successfully. We're good to go. If you want to set the date and timestamp on it, just hit timestamp sync. Synchronize success is just sync the camera to your phone's time. Set up a new password, self-explanatory, just click on that. I always suggest you put in a new password so no one else can get in and view your camera. Okay. It looks like that's just about it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up or give us a call. We're always ready to help.